shall make posho. We are going to make posho with maybe another sauce. Here we are again. Now, this is bread. Remember yesterday I talked about flax swallow. Yes, this is bread made out of vegetable. And what is that vegetable? Have you seen what is dropping? What is dropping now is flax. And this is the cake. Either you call it cake or bread. Yeah, this is the pepper we usually put down in our cake bowl. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Yeah, so this is made out of cauliflower. This is cauliflower. This is cauliflower. Then this one is made out of flax. So the way to make this is when you blend them. Have you seen cauliflower? This is blended. Yeah, we made it. You get it. Actually, we grate it. Then if you like, you can grind yours to be smoother. Then when you put it, you put 2 eggs. If you are making like this size now, you put 2 eggs. And that egg, if you are making for somebody with cholesterol, don't put the yolk. If you are making also somebody with diabetes, don't put the yolk. Yes. If you are making generally for adults, I don't advise people to put the yolk. You can put the white part of the egg. Or if you like, you can put the yolk. It's okay. Now you blend, you whisk the egg. Yeah, you are going to put maybe whisk the 2 eggs. Then after you pour this cauliflower, you pour it inside the eggs. Then you grate. You get out your grater and you grate out the back. Have you seen it? You grate the back of this to give it a very good flavor. Okay, that is all. You turn it properly. If you are making for somebody with diabetes, put a pinch of salt. If you are making, somebody with high blood pressure. If you are making for somebody with high blood pressure, put a pinch. If you are making for people that are normal, put enough salt to taste. And maybe if you like, with little quantity of sugar. But if you are making for diabetic patient, don't put sugar. Yes, don't put sugar. Okay, so when we finish it, then we turn on our oven and we bake it for just like 25 minutes. Okay, when you have finished making, you get your raisins. These are raisins for sweetening. You drop your raisins inside before you put in the oven. When you look here, you see some flax seeds, some sesame seeds. You can drop any kind of seeds you want and you push into your oven. Yeah, you allow it to get done. Then you bring out. That's it. If you don't like raisins, you can use dates. Have you seen when you open dates, you can remove it in tiny pieces? Have you seen it? You remove in tiny pieces and you spray it on top. If you don't like any of these sweet items, then you can make it so natural without putting them. So that is it. This is cauliflower bread. Have you seen it? This is it. Yes. So eat well so the hospital will be far from you. Thank you so much for joining me and keep subscribing. Thumb lift that up. Let me know that you love what I am bringing to you. Thank you.